Hello, and welcome to Module 1. In this module, our ad expert will be teaching you about the various campaign goals and how to pick the best ones for your business. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the various goals you can choose from when creating a search ad campaign in Google AdWords. We'll start here at the main dashboard, and we'll click Campaigns up here on the left. This brings us to our campaign dashboard, and since we want to create a new one, we'll click this blue plus sign button here on the left-hand side, and we'll select New Campaign. As you can see, we've got 7 goals to choose from. But first, let's talk about what the word goal actually means in the AdWords universe. You see, rather than let companies fend for themselves and try to figure out each little variable and option in their ad settings without fully understanding what they do, Google decided recently to help guide advertisers along in understanding and shaping their ads to optimize them for specific common marketing goals. So if you choose one of these goals, you'll see helpful little suggestions next to all the settings and options in the upcoming steps. Suggestions specifically tailored towards your goal. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the ad creation process, which previously could be pretty confusing. Now keep in mind, you want to pick the main thing you want to accomplish with this particular ad campaign. Let's have a look at each one. First up, there's sales. Google AdWords can help you bring in sales through a multitude of channels, including online stores, sales pages, inside apps, over the phone, and even physically in-store. Now you'll notice down here a list of campaign types associated with each campaign goal. This could be either search ads, display ads, shopping ads, video ads, or universal app ads. Since this course is all about search advertising, we'll want to make sure any goal we select has search as an applicable campaign type, which, as you can see, sales does. Next, there's leads. This is all about getting prospects onto your list. Whether you're building a basic email list or doing more complicated lead generation where you're collecting phone numbers, addresses, or anything else, this goal will help you optimize your ad for maximum return. Since this goal's main focus point is conversion tracking, it doesn't limit you to traditional lead generation. This can also help you optimize for other actions like registering for a webinar or taking a survey. Next, we've got website traffic. Now this goal is arguably the most generic and least specific. I would say this would best serve people who are doing content marketing or just trying to get more eyeballs on their blog posts, and who don't really care about specific actions or conversions. But it could be used for a whole host of things. Then there's product and brand consideration. This is a highly specialized type of goal that's largely oriented towards potential customers who have already started their research process, and you want to distinguish your products or services from others, and encourage them to explore more about your solutions. There's a lot more potential for engagement within the ad with this goal. For example, you can create interactive light boxes and ads with multiple images that they can interact with. It's pretty cool, but as you can see, this goal is only applicable to the display and video campaign types, not search ads, so we can skip it. Brand awareness and reach. This one's all about views. If people click your ads, that's great, but we're really focused on people noticing, seeing, and becoming aware of your brand. Your name, your logo, your unique selling proposition. As you can probably guess, these are very visual ads, and as such, search is once again not one of the applicable campaign types, so we can skip this. Next, app promotion. This one's pretty straightforward. You want people to install and use your apps. This one relies on the universal app campaign types, not search ads, so it doesn't apply to us for this course. Finally, there's the no goal option. This is where you're totally unguided. You've got your pick of any campaign type, and you don't have any tailored recommendations during the creation process. This should only be used by advanced users who know AdWords and ad performance like the back of their hands. And since you're watching this video lesson right now, it's a safe bet that doesn't apply to us. For the sake of this lesson, we're going to go with leads as our campaign goal. So I'll click that, and as you can see, we can now choose from any of these applicable campaign types. We'll choose search ads, and for the ways to reach our goal, we'll choose website visits. We don't really have a demo website for this lesson, so the first random website that pops into my head is everlesson.com, which is a really sweet membership/e-learning platform. So I'll type that in here and hit continue. That will bring us to our campaign settings page, which is what we'll cover in the next lesson.